Hi guys, and good morning everybody. It's Monday. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. It's starting to be hot outside. I was in the pool yesterday and I get some sunburn, I guess, just a little bit, but yeah, it started to get very hot. This week gonna be another long week for me. Have to go to Paris longer than usually this time. So yeah, this Monday going to work, going to the airport. So yeah, I'm sure babe I have a lot of things to show you, and of course I will try to show you some from my side. So enjoy the vlog, have a good week, and we'll see you guys soon.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You want to talk to the faves? What do you want to say?
Hi.
Say hi faves.
Hi, please.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you guys? Tell them what you have planned for today. Where are we going first? No, where are we going first? We're going to Mama Doctor, right?
Okay.
And then? Yeah. We're going to Axel and Maxine. That's his two friends. You guys, it is bright and early Monday morning, and I have an early doctor's appointment that I have to get to on time this morning. There's a monster on your shirt. Yeah. That I have to get to on time. However, I have to go to that appointment alone. When I say alone, meaning without babe. I don't normally go to the doctor appointment without babe, but I have to go without him today because babe is off to work out of the city, and then when he gets back from out of the city, he have to head straight to the airport because he is heading to Paris today and he won't back until the end of the week. So Tyler and I will be basically winging it alone for the rest of the week. I'll be having my single mom hat on for the entire week. So let's see how that will pan out, but I'm sure we'll be okay. Yes, my love.
You see a garbage truck?
Yeah, garbage truck. So that won't be cool, but all this flying to Paris is just for a matter of time.
A car?
Yeah, I see the car.
I go to the truck?
Yeah. All this flying for his training will be over soon, so it's just a few more weeks and then he won't have to be traveling to Paris as much as how he's traveling to Paris now, but it will all pay off in the end, and I'll hold it down until he gets back, though we miss each other so much when we are away from each other. So it's just me and my baby boy. It's just you and I until Papa get back?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you miss Papa? Yeah. Good kiss. All right. All right. More? Oh my God. All right, no more. We're gonna go catch the bus. Let's go catch the bus. He's something else. But I love all the love because when he reaches a certain age, then I won't be able to. Yeah?
Let's go catch your bus.
Yeah, we're gonna go catch the bus. When you reach a certain age, have to be begging for a kiss. Look how Tyler do my hair though. Look at my hair. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to go rebrush my hair. Anyway, you guys, I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope you guys staying blessed, staying loved, staying motivated. I also need to go make an appointment for my nails because my nails need to be redone and all that. But I don't know how that's gonna go, but I have so much to get done today, and I'm also going to work today, so hopefully I can get my appointment done and get back home before I go to work, and I won't have to leave and go straight to work from the doctor office. But let's see how that goes. Anyway, you guys, what stop doing that. Let's go get ready for the bus. Whatever it is that you guys have to do, go pee pee and get ready for the bus. Go on, go pick up a toy. Whatever it is that you guys have to do today, whether you have to do it alone or you have help, just use time management to get everything done. Oh my gosh, look how tiny I do my hair. Look at that, it's just poking out. I'm gonna have to go and redo that. Just find a way to get everything done. No excuses. Stay motivated, stay blessed, stay encouraged. No matter the circumstances that you have to work under, just do what you have to do and make it work. Anyway, you guys, I am going to head out right now to catch the bus. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay smiling. I'm going to go catch the bus right now, so I'll catch you guys whether on my way or at the doctor's or something. But Lego, have a good day. So you guys, this is my dilemma right now. Yes, this is we reached my doctor and was told that my doctor is out of the office on a little emergency and will be back in an hour and a half time. So instead of staying in the office and wait for 1.5 hours, took Tyler to lunch. We're having McDonald's, his favorite. So we're just eating real quick and then go back to the office in an hour and a half time and get this appointment done. What are you eating? Yeah. Yeah. Yummy? Alright, enjoy. You guys, I am back. I finally got my nails taken off, you guys, but I decided not to redo them because the next month, yes Ty, yes, I'm coming. The next month I'll be so hands-on and busy with long nails. It will prevent me from getting down the way I really want to get down. So for the next month, I'll be giving my fingers a break, going back to the natural me. And then after all that hecticness finish, then I'll be able to go back and all glammed. I went to my doctor's appointment. My doctor came back on time and my doctor appointment went well, to say the least. So good news.
Hi guys, and it feels like I always sit at the same spot and talk to you from the same spot again and again. So yeah, I'm at the airport now. Plane should take off in about an hour, so I'm a little bit early, but didn't want you to change it with the traffic. So yeah, I'm early, I'm bowing, I've nothing to do, and yeah, I'm just waiting. My head starts to hurt a bit, so I hope I won't have a full plane. I heard that strike will be in Paris for transportation, so hope it will be fine to go to the hotel. So yeah, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I just heard from Babe she got through everything she wanted, so yeah, that's a good point from her. Let's hope that it's gonna be a good point for me too.
eat this bowl of fruits that I'm looking down at in front of me right now, and then I am going to head right out to work, Thailand, because of course baby's not around for the next few days. I honestly don't know how single moms do it, how you guys do it, especially with more than one kid. I have to say hats off and lots of respect to single mothers who have no help around, who have to do it on your own. It's a lot when you just have to rely on yourself alone. It's a lot, but we can do it. How we do what we gotta do, right? Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna grab this yumminess right now and then head out. My child says, Mama, want to talk to Faves.
Please. Okay. It's pineapple, melon, and kiwi.
Yes, they can see that. What else you want to tell Faves? You guys, he's at the stage these days where he knows that I'm talking to somebody on the camera named Faves, and he just, once he sees the camera, he wants to talk to Faves. He's at that stage right now.
And that's the Tamia.
You talk to Tamia?
Yeah.
Tamia is our neighbor. And he just saw her at the bus coming up, so we came home together. You saw Tamia?
Yes.
Yes. You're going to eat some more pineapple?
Yes. This upper kiwi.
You want pineapple or you want kiwi? Pineapple?
Pineapple, yes.
C'est bon. Yummy?
Finally reached Paris. I just stopped at a Chinese restaurant to get some food. I'm very tired. It's after 7:30. Tired, hungry, and yeah. So that's gonna be my food. Some names, I love names, and yes, babe. When you're gonna see that, you're gonna be jealous. So yeah. So that's the end of the day. I'm back to the hotel. That's the same hotel than the last time, just this time let me show you. I have a little view. I don't know if you remember the last time it was just view on the building. Now it's still on the building, but at least it's outside and not the hotel building. So yeah, that's the view actually. So I'm at the hotel. I'm gonna rest, relax. I'm very tired, and because it's World Cup, I'm going to watch a game. This is England. Yeah, this is England game. Yeah, so I hope you all had a wonderful day. Also one thing, I'm gonna talk with babe. That's something that when you're away from your wife and just spend times talk with her, or yeah, the opposite thing. So yeah, so I'm gonna video her. I hope she's doing well. I know she had a long day, so yeah, I'm gonna relax, talk to her, and not going bed too late tonight.
Say hi to the Faves.
Hi,
Hi guys. Yes, I'm here relaxing. Yeah, I don't think. What time is it? It's after 9 now? Yeah.
Yeah, it's after 9.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get some stuff done and put Tyler to bed.
I'm happy to see you and see you.
Huh?
I'm happy to see you and see you.
Thank God for technology, where we can see each other. Thank you, Tyler.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama,
Wait, you're
open
blocking Papa.
Mama.
Anyway, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and end today's vlog because I'm home and there's no babe. Well, there's babe on FaceTime. Yes, Tyler?
Mama, open that, please?
Yes, I can open it for you. Can you tell the faves bye?
Bye.
Say bye, faves.
Bye.
See you guys tomorrow.
Kiss tomorrow.
Honey, tell the faves bye.
Bye.
Alright, you guys.
Watching.
Say that again.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Alright, you guys, we are gonna go ahead and send out today's vlog because baby's far away on the other side of the country. Without giving you guys any expression for tonight, but don't worry, when babe get back, we'll resume our usual expression. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the
Mama,
fam.
can I make
Catch up
a
and keep up.
puppies?
Yes, I'm gonna make a ball for you. Say catch up and keep up.
Catch a puppy, bro.
And we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Says, did you kiss tomorrow, Papa?
Well, Tyler.
Says, did you kiss tomorrow?
Yes, we see you guys